Yeah, boys, you know what's going down. I decided to up the YouTube game. So we ran over to Costco, pick up this nice little bundle. It's like 300 bucks, extra battery, SD card, and a little handle. So we're gonna film today, see what we got going on with the boys in San Ho. Yee! Here we go. See what it is. Woo! Alright guys, I'm going to do a little voiceover here so I can try and explain what was going through my head and what I think happened and why I crashed. So I just got the new GoPro and I was recording people for a little bit there, and then I handed it off to get some footage for myself so I could see how smooth the footage was on the new GoPro before we got to the meet spot. Did a couple little combos and went over this little overpass. Gets a little bumpy right here going from the overpass to the asphalt, and I went for a hand drag and got a little bumpy and I feel like the tire just kind of slipped off from underneath me. It all happened really quickly. Have no idea really. I shouldn't have been doing a hand drag there. It's too bumpy. I usually like to do it on really smooth roads because those bumps will get you. But picked up the bike. She was smoking. Pushed it over to the side and took it to a nearby Harley shop to get fixed up. The bike had cartwheeled a couple times, 3 or 4 times. Barrel rolled and the handlebars were smashed down, and the air box had popped off the throttle bodies and wouldn't start. So these guys pushed me across the street to the Harley dealership, and there were some cops in the nearby parking lot, so we were all freaking out. And thankfully, they didn't see the crash. They probably just saw a group of bikes. I don't know what they might have thought. But we got to the Harley dealership. Tried buttoning her up as best as I could. Found out the start-stop switch was keeping the bike from turning on, so I couldn't turn it on after I crashed. So we got it all fixed up. Had a little safety meeting and tried riding some more. My shoulder was hurting pretty bad, my elbow was hurting pretty bad, but thankfully I wear knee pads and my injuries were not too bad. So we got the bike started again and I tried riding and did a couple wheelies, and next thing I know, oil is puking out of the engine because the head was cracked where the motor mount tab mounts to the frame. Here's a little footage of when I got it into the back of my truck. So, first day of filming didn't go as good as planned. Might have tossed her. She's cracked. She's got a cracked heart, boys. She's leaking. Impact Tech pretty much saved the bike, but the engine, that's a difference. Motor mount, huh? She's gone. She gone! Gonna try another little voiceover thing. So I got the bike loaded up from a friend, and then we took it to another friend's house where he let me borrow his FRI so I could keep recording and make a little edit for you guys. So go ahead and give me some feedback. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. Hopefully we can get this channel popping with your guys' help. And I'll try to make better content for you guys and have the videos with the fancy intros and all the special effects and graphics and stuff. But until then, go ahead and enjoy this footage that I got from the new GoPro 8 and let me know what you think.